times 8 is 8. Wake up early, don't be late. 2 times 8 is 16. Dance around and keep it clean. 3 times 8 is 24. Jump up high and stop the floor. 4 times 8 is 32. Tie your laces on your shoe. 5 times 8 is 40. Move your body, party, party. 6 times 8 is 48. Spin around and feel so great. 7 times 8 is 56. Do some jumping little tricks.